Hey makers! Today we are starting seeds for my garden. I will be using some organic seed starting mix from my local box store. You can get it from wherever you want. For now, I'm only going to fill my tins about halfway full, and you'll see why in just a minute. So today I'm planting a variety of different seeds. So for each tin, I'll have a different set of seeds. I'll take about 3 seeds and plant them in each one and spread them out. Make sure you have a good way to label each of your tins. For me, I just used a Sharpie and labeled it right underneath each seed set. Now that our seeds are planted, we're going to give each one of them a light spray with unchlorinated water. So earlier we only filled our tins up about halfway. Now is our time to fill them up. Use the rest of your mix and cover each of your seeds. So now we're going to give our seeds a final spray. You can even set these tins in another tray and fill that tray with water. That way water is being constantly wicked up into your seeds. This will keep you from having to water every single day. Rather, you only have to water when your tray is getting low. Now all you need is a grow light. And a week later, we already have sprouts. Have fun and comment down below and let me know what you're planting this season. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.